Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic, what is project management. Friend, today's topic is very important, very basic topic. And friend, if you are a student and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so friend, this is a very important topic, and you will see definitely see this topic in the exam. Either it's a PMP exam or either it's a university level exam. So friend, this is very important that you must have to understand that what is project management and what is basically the concept and why it's needed to do the project management when we are managing the project management project. Also friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a professional project manager, so again friend, this is important, this is necessary that you must have to know that what is project management and how to manage the project professionally. Okay, so friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project management, friend, if we see these two terms, project management means, in a general sense, if we talk, project management means managing the project. Okay, so first of all we have to understand that what is a project actually, then we can understand that how to manage the project. Okay, there are two terms, project management means that managing the project. So first of all we are understanding that what is actually the project. Friend, project, as per the definition of PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, service or result. That is called as a project. What does that mean, friend? See friend, if you are managing a if you are implementing e-commerce solution, and you have to deliver that project within 4 months, so we will say that it is a project. Why? Because there is a time frame, like 4 months is the time frame in which we have to deliver the project. Also it's unique means, friend, that it is not an ongoing task. It will give you a unique output, product or result. That is why we will say that it is a project. So friend, the most important key factor when we say that it is a project are, first of all, there should be a time frame, like time bound, like 4 months, 5 months, 1 year. So there should be a time frame in which we have to deliver the project, first thing. Second thing, it should have to be a unique means that, friend, it should not be a ongoing task, it should not be an operational task. So for example, if you are working in a factory, for example, which is producing the chairs, for example, so can we say that the producing of chair is a project? Can we say that? No, we can't say that, because it is an operational task, it is not an unique task, because we are producing the chairs again and again. So for project there are two things mandatory. First of all, time frame, time bound, like the activity should be time bound. Second thing, it should have to be a unique output, unique service, result or product. Okay, then friend, if we can understand the concept of a project, we can move towards project management. Obviously friend, if we can understand the concept of project, so project management means that managing the project. Okay, that there is a project, for example, have to implement e-commerce solution for customer, like for example, another example, you have to implement the mobile application for customers. Another example related to construction, like for example, you have to build a flyover for a city, for example. So all these are the types of project. So now friend, project management means that it is the application of processes, methods, skills, knowledge and experience to achieve specific project objectives according to the project acceptance criteria within agreed parameters. Project management has final deliverables that are constrained to a finite time scale and budget. See friend, here this was just only a definition. Just focus on the core things. Basically, project management basically, friend, talks about how to manage the project basically. Okay, it gives you a knowledge, it gives you insight that how you can manage a project. Okay. Okay, now how it can tells you that how to manage the project. Basically friend, it gives you the standard procedures, methods, skills, knowledge. So it basically it give you a knowledge. Honestly saying friend, project management, like the most important book, PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, basically it tells you that how to manage a project friend. Okay. Normally generally friend, there are so many techniques which we are following to manage a project. However, the PMI or PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, these types of books, these are the standard books. Basically standard means that the best practices they are telling you that how to manage the project friend. Okay, so now if a project management in general sense friend, basically in a simple sense, project management is basically telling you that how we can manage the project. And how they are telling you, basically they are telling you the procedures, methods, skills, knowledge. They are giving you all the tools which are necessary to manage a project successfully and professionally basically. Okay, so that is called as the project management. So now if we can talk about actually what is a project management. Basically friend, project management is basically a knowledge that how we can manage a project professionally in a general sense. In a very general sense it tells you. Now it gives you how they can tell you, how they are telling you, they are basically telling you the processes, methods, skills, knowledge, experience, specific knowledge, so that they can we can manage a project and we can achieve the objectives of project. Okay. Now friend, what are the core components of project management? Friend, first of all we have to understand that why a reason a project is necessary. Every project whenever we are initiating, there are some specific reasons, some specific objective through due to which the project is going to initiate. For example, let's suppose a bank want to implement a mobile application for their customers so that they can do the fund transfer, or they can do the mobile top up, etc. So why they are initiating the project? What's the need? Basically business need. Why they are? Basically they want to increase their customer base so that more customers can come on the bank and they can make a relationship, make a customership with the bank, so that they want to enhance, or they want to implement the mobile application. So whenever we are initiating a project, first of all we have to understand the reason why the project is going to initiate. Then capturing project requirement, specifying quality of the deliverables, estimating resources and time scales. Another important factor friend, the requirement. Basically we have to very good as a project manager in requirement gathering, that what are the deliverables, what are the estimated resources are required, what is the estimated time scales. Preparing a business case to justify the investment. Friend, business case should be very clear. Like whenever we are initiating a project, there would be definitely be a business case, every business case behind the project. Securing corporate agreement and funding, like another important thing is that every project is based every having some agreement, contract and funding behind it, because without contracting, without funding, no project can be initiated. Developing and implementing a management plan for the project. When the project has been initiated, we need a project management plan. Project management plan means that friend, basically how you are going to implement the project, like what is the time scale, what is the cost required, how many resources are required, what are the risks and issues which you are expecting, what is the scope of a project. So all these factors should be covered in the project management plan. Leading and motivating the project delivery team. Friend, as a project management manager, you should have to be a motivator, you should have to be behave like a leader, leading from the front. Okay, so these are the core components of project management. Also friend, managing, you should have to be very good in managing the risk, issues, changes in the project. Project progress, you should have a very close eye on managing the progress, like your controlling and monitoring skills should be very good. Project budget should have to be in control of you, like you should know that what is the budget and how much has been expended and how much is remaining. Communication should be excellent. As a project manager, your verbal, written, body language should have to be very very great. uh, Provide management, closing the project in a controlled fashion when appropriate, and in the end you should be able to finish the project successfully. Remember friend, when one thing honestly saying, it is a very common mistake we all have to, that we initiate a project but we didn't close the project. This is a very sad thing which happened, like a project are initiated but they are not closed successfully. So friend, this is very very important, that you must have to able to initiate a project successfully, and also you should have to able to close the project successfully as well. Okay friend, because see friend, if the project has not been closed, obviously the invoices can't be raised, and the vendor will not get the money if the project is not closed successfully. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.